Before we start, I would like you to subscribe and activate the notifications so that each time I upload a new video, you are the first one to see it. Hello, today, I want to present to you what you should know about cooking cubes are dangerous and lethal. Indisputably, the key for a healthy life without complications is in food. If the food we eat is healthy, our whole body will be healthy too. At the same time, this will make us less susceptible to diseases and other similar problems. In this way, we can lead a quiet and full life. However, in our days, entrepreneurs want to make life much easy, are doing anything to sell us their products. Many of them have invented food that we just put into the microwave and it's ready. Other products are sold to make it easier for us to work in the kitchen, such as chicken cubes. If you use this product, pay attention to this information for your health. The fact is that your health is in danger, and no one tells you the truth. Chicken broth and other seasonings. Chicken cubes and instant envelopes can be found at any supermarket. There are many brands and can vary in size and flavor. But the most famous in the world is the hen broth. Have you ever wondered how they manufacture these products? In case you do not know, one of its main ingredients is salt. When processed food is treated, the ingredients are listed according to the amount present. In other words, if the salt appears first, it is because it is the one that contains the product the most. However, salt is not the only dangerous product. Another of the ingredients of these products is monosodium glutamate. This ingredient has the function of enhancing the taste of food that is addictive. Usually we can find it in canned food, Chinese food and snacks bags. Thus, the more you eat these foods, the more you will want to buy them. An institution charged with ensuring the safety health of the US population indicated that MSG is safe. However, most people are clear that this is not true. Eating foods with GMs can bring us side effects, in addition become addicted to them. The possible consequences. On the other hand, many studies over the years have found negative effects on their consumers. A study showed that those who consume them tend to suffer from headache and chest pain and excessive sweating. All of this is due to MSG, which is a neurotoxin. To try to go one step ahead of the competition, some companies make organic cubes. However, the truth is that even these are not healthy. In addition, their nutritional value is not as good as they say. For this reason, the experts are alerting the population about the use of these products. For that reason, we wanted to share with you this alert, in order you be up to date. Our recommendation is to substitute the cubes of chicken broth for natural ingredients. Doing this, you will prevent you and your family of risks for this cause. A good option to substitute the cubes of chicken broth is the kombu. This is nothing more than an algae or marine plant filled with iodine. This vegetable is very good for making beans or a rich soup. This vegetable can be obtained in any supermarket. That's why we encourage you to take advantage of it as soon as possible. I hope these tips can help you. If so, tell us in the comments. If you found this video interesting, share it with your friends and family. Surely someone will find it useful. Subscribe to my channel. It's free, and don't forget to activate notifications. And by the way, give us a great like. Thanks for joining us, and I will await you in the next video.